to our creative holiday corner. Today we are diving into the cozy rustic world of X-Mix jute and burlap craft. So in this video we're going to show you the amazing craft ideas and beautiful collection of jute burlap craft, also known as fabric, brings that natural farmhouse feel that makes X-Mix decorations warm and timeless. From rustic wreath to handmade ornaments, this fabric transforms simple ideas into magical holiday decor. So grab your jute rolls, hot glue gun, and a little X-Mix spirit because we are about to create magic together. Burlap is one of the oldest, most versatile crafting material. Its earthy texture pairs beautifully with X-Mix greenery, pine cone berries, and glitter accent. Whether you are aiming for farmhouse shabby chic or additional decor, burlap adds warmth and authenticity. It's also budget-friendly and eco-friendly, perfect for those who want sustainable holiday decor. So hope you're enjoying these designs and ideas. Let's begin with the classic burlap Christmas wreath. Let's begin with the classic, the burlap wreath. Start with a wire, wreath frame, and even a simple cardboard circle. Cut long strips of burlap and leave them through the frame, fluffing as you go. Add pine branches, tiny berries, and a festive bow on top. You can personalize it with wooden letters spelling joy and Noel or Noel. Hang it on your front door and instantly your home radiates rustic X-Mix charm. Next, let's craft something simple X-Mix tree ornaments. Cut small burlap circles or stars and back them with felt for strength. Decorate with lace ribbons, tiny buttons, or glitter outlines. You can even paint white snowflakes directly on the burlap for the frosted effect. These ornaments not only look amazing on a tree, but they also make wonderful handmade gifts for friends and family. Now imagine your holiday dinner table, warm light, good food, and rustic burlap table decor. You can make simple jute table runners by fraying the edges and adding red or green ribbon. Wrap burlap around glass jars to create candle corners holders. Decorate with white twine and pine spring. For a finishing touch, tie small burlap bows around napkins, a little details that add a lot of charm. Guests will love the cozy handmade atmosphere and ask who made it, and you proudly said, yes, I made it. Another fun project is making burlap stockings. Sew 2 pieces of burlap into a classic stocking shape, then embellish with lace, filled shapes, or even stencils, names. They hang beautifully by the fireplace. Burlap also makes for eco-friendly gift wrapping. Wrap your presents in burlap, tip with jute string, and add cinnamon sticks or holly leaves for a rustic, thoughtful presentations. And you have it. Simple, creative, and festive X-Mix burlap craft that bring warmth and tradition into your home. Whether it's wreath or ornaments or a table decoration, each piece carries a handmade touch that makes the holiday season even more special. Don't forget the magic of X-Mix and the love and creativity and you put into every detail. Happy crafting and happy holiday. So hope you like these designs and ideas. We want more information about that. We want more ideas to bring for you. The best part is this is the magical piece. So welcome back to our festive craft corners. This holiday are almost here, and nothing says cozy X-Mix like handmade decoration. Today we will explore the world of X-Mix jute and burlap craft. Burlap or jute fabric has that warm, rustic texture that instantly remind us of farmhouse charm and simpler lives.